Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back here with a little unboxing of my Cartier eyeglasses. Got these from Provision. I just wanted to do a little video to show people how to check to see if their pair is authentic and what to expect with this particular model. So, let's get into it. All right. So your Cartier glasses are going to come in this white box. It's also going to have like the model number and all that information, serial number on the box. So these are authentic. Let's get these open. Let's open from this end. All right. Got your Cartier box. I'm going to set this to the side here. And get this open. And you're going to have another Cartier box. It's like a hard case within the box here. Let me zoom out a little bit here so I can get all this down. Alright. Got a little cleaning cloth inside. Your Cartier booklet. Pretty much what's going to be in here is like your warranty information. This is the people who make the Cartier glasses. They actually manufacture them, so they'll have like their specs and everything in there for materials. This is your booklet for your warranty. Also has like your your ticket to authenticate your pair. It's normally stamped right here by whoever you got the your frames from, but here they kind of sell these like hotcakes. They don't even bother to stamp these things anymore. But yeah, so all your information is in here. And just a little FYI, I'm in Detroit, Michigan, so you know how we are about our Cartiers. This isn't my first pair. I've worn them like my whole life. So camera. Alright, so you get like a little carrying cloth with them, and boy, look at these. Sorry, my fingers are a little greasy. Let's get that wiped off. Look at those. So these are called Cartier Big C's, or we call them wires of Detroit. These are not buffs. All Cartiers are not buffs. Buffaloes, horn Cartiers are buffs. These are either, we just call them wires or Big C's. So these are my, set this aside. These are my daily, will be my daily eyeglasses. So, man, those is clean. These did cost a pretty penny. It's almost about $2,000 with the prescription and the frames. They did give me some other lenses with these that came with them. They came in a separate bag. But these are custom lenses with my prescription in there. So they're fitted to my face. Just to show you. I'll do a little B-roll later, like the little intricate details of what you should look for. But man, gotta love a gold pair. Like back in the day, you used to be able to get these for like a couple $100 because like Cartiers were so like abundant up here. Everybody had them. You really knew if somebody was going through hard times if they sold their Cartiers for some money. like now that it's like kind of caught up all over. Now that it's kind of caught up all over, the price really doesn't go down too much anymore. Like you used to be able to get these at a pawn shop for a couple hundred. Now you can just sell it to, you know, somebody online in another state, and you can still pretty much catch almost what you paid for them for these. These go a little bit lower. I would say probably like 1,000, 1,500 used. I got mine brand new, so that's why I was closer to like that 2,000 range, and of course the frames as well. Like when you go to an eyeglass place, I got these in Pearl Vision in Royal Oak, Michigan. Not everybody will service Cartier glasses because the frames cost so much. They don't want to pay for their insurance in case they are, you know, working on them and mess them up. So only a few places are going to deal with these. You can't just take these to any eyeglass place and be like, hey, you know, I need some new lenses. They're not going to do them. Or if they do them for you, they might make you sign a waiver. I had a place ask me that, like, oh, you'll sign a waiver, we'll fix them. It's not going to happen. But yeah, just wanted to show those to you. See if I can do a little zoom in here. There we go. And like I said, I'll show a little B-roll. So yeah, told you guys I have a lot more coming up for the page, a couple jewelry reviews. I'm also a sneakerhead, so I might post a couple pair of my kicks. I'm gonna build a room in my house, pretty much dedicated to my shoes, because I have that many pairs. But yeah, thinking about doing like some life vlogs on the channel, jewelry, also into cars and motorcycles. So we'll have a little bit of everything on the channel. But if you have any questions about how to, you know, tell if your pair of Cartiers is authentic, don't be afraid to reach out to me. Send me a DM, leave me a comment. I'm pretty familiar with. I got another pair of Cartier glasses that I'll do a little video on. There's some vintage ones, so I'll let you see those pairs as well. But you know, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.